Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a search bar to your Wix website. So here you can see that I am on my Wix editor. If you want to add a search bar to your website, for that you need to click on these four dots on the left panel, which is add apps button. Click on it and this will take you to Wix app market. Here you need to search for search bar. Click enter and then you will see this site search app. You need to click on it and then you need to click on add to site. And here you can see that I have got a search site button, so I can position it if I want it right here. And after you are done, if you want to change its settings, you can click on settings and this will load up the settings. When you go to settings, you can select site language, you can select results in new tab if you want. If you want to auto complete the drop down, it will show suggestions, infinite scroll, all of the settings that you can access. If you want to change its font, change its color, so everything you have got here. After you are done, you need to click on publish and this will publish your website live. And if you want to preview it, you need to click on preview on the top left. So let's preview it and there you go. Here is my search bar. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.